Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're here, you're probably looking to cancel your Affirm virtual card, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. This full guide is tailored for 2025, so we'll cover the latest process to make it as smooth as possible. Whether you're switching to another payment service or just want to tidy up your finances, canceling your Affirm virtual card is straightforward once you know the steps. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Affirm account. Open the Affirm app on your phone or head to the Affirm website on your computer. If you don't have the app, download it from your app store, it's free and quick. Once you're in, enter your login details like your email and password. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, you'll get a code on your phone, so keep an eye out for that. Next, navigate to the Cards, or Virtual Cards, section. This is usually found in the main menu or dashboard. Look for your Affirm virtual card listed there. It might show your card details or recent transactions. Select the card you want to cancel. Now, here's the key part. Find the Options menu, which could be a three-dot icon or a Manage button. Tap or click on that, and you should see a Cancel Card option. Before you proceed, double-check if there are any outstanding balances or pending payments. Affirm won't let you cancel if you owe money, so make sure everything is paid off first. If there are issues, you might need to contact Affirm support. Once you're clear, select Cancel Card and follow the on-screen prompts to confirm. You'll probably have to verify your identity again for security reasons. After confirmation, your card should be canceled immediately, and you'll get a confirmation email or notification. That's it, you're all set. Remember, canceling doesn't affect your Affirm account entirely. You can still use other features if you want. If you run into any hiccups, reach out to Affirm's customer service, they're usually helpful. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. See you in the next video.